Hello, and welcome to our Southwest quilting adventures. While exploring national parks and other attractions, we're visiting quilt shops and events along the way, looking for new ideas and unique items to share with you. You'll also find links to projects inspired by the quilt shops. Last week, we visited Patchworks up in the mountains at Big Bear Lake. Today, we're leaving behind the quiet solitude of Joshua Tree National Park, and we're headed to the glitz and glamour of Las Vegas to check out Sew Yeah, a store run by three brothers. Immediately upon entering the shop, you're reminded that they do everything big in Vegas, and Sew Yeah is no exception. This is a full-service shop. They sell and repair machines. They offer classes in their spacious classroom. They feature many items made from the patterns on display, and they carry lots and lots of fabric. So much fabric that they have individual rooms dedicated to specific yardage. They have 3 rooms filled with batiks, a room overflowing with pre-cuts, panels, another room dedicated to sale fabrics, and a room just for minky and fake furs. Aisles filled with shelves of fabric in the center of the store are arranged by theme, such as this row of florals, which is right behind this aisle of stripes and polka dots. Along the walls, the fabrics are organized by color. As you can see, you might need to schedule extra time exploring this shop. Even more amazing than the inventory at Sew Yeah is the story behind its beginning. Below is a link to their website where you can read all about it while checking out their online store. They also have a YouTube station with tutorials, fabric auctions, and a sewing variety show. It's become quite popular in the quilting world, and the brothers have become celebrities. I got to experience firsthand the frenzy of their fans when Brody, the middle brother, walked into the store. He was greeted by a crowd of quilters, all requesting photo ops and autographs. I was lucky to get this photo. Sew Yeah is internationally famous. Visitors from all over the world stop by to shop and are encouraged to place a pin over their hometown on this map. The store manages a service project where they ask customers to make drawstring bags for hygiene kits. A mini quilt gallery exists in their classroom. All the walls are covered with quilts. Quite the sight to see. The store features local pattern designers. They offer long-arm quilting services, and they sponsor contests for their customers, which sometimes include a trip to Vegas. 2 large trees bring the outdoors in. There's a leafy tree in the back and a gigantic Christmas tree by the front door. Perhaps all that greenery inspired me to purchase this group of fabrics. I used the shimmery green to make the gift bag featured in this tutorial for freeform quilting. Below you'll find links to this project. Hope you get a chance to shop at Sew Yeah, either in person or online. Stay tuned for our next quilting adventure, and don't forget to shop at those independently owned quilt stores. Thanks for visiting LearnHowToQuilt.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell to get alerted when a new video comes out. You can also sign up for updates and free patterns at LearnHowToQuilt.com. Thanks.